One of the many nutritious drinks is Moringa tea. More and more people are drinking tea prepared from Moringa leaves. There are countless advantages to drinking Moringa tea, both for health and appearance. Moringa tea is becoming increasingly popular among so-called health nuts because of the widespread belief that it offers numerous health benefits. Now, let's have a look at the wonderful health advantages of Moringa tea. Getting slimmer. Many essential vitamins and minerals may be found in Moringa, and the plant is also thought to facilitate the mobilization of stored visceral fat. Antioxidants, usually polyphenols or plant compounds, are concentrated in the tea. Tea made from the Moringa tree has been linked to decreased calorie intake and improved weight reduction. The leaves are nutritious and low in fat, so they can be used as a healthy alternative to foods that are typically rich in calories. Controlling blood pressure. Tea brewed from dried and ground Moringa leaves are also touted for its ability to lower blood pressure. The presence of quercetin, a chemical thought to reduce blood pressure, has been credited with this effect. Its antioxidant characteristics may also help those with hypertension reduce inflammation. Thirdly, managing blood sugar. Because they contain the antioxidant chlorogenic acid, which is also found in coffee and is thought to help manage blood sugar levels, Moringa leaves may also be beneficial to diabetics. Vitamin C's ability to aid in glucose and blood pressure regulation in people with type 2 diabetes has been well documented. Reduces the risk of high cholesterol. Patients with heart disease may benefit from using Moringa oleifera because of its potential to reduce cholesterol levels and the risk of developing heart disease. Skin. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects of Moringa may also benefit the health of your skin and hair. The antioxidants in your diet may help keep pollutants at bay and give your skin a fresh look.